Getting and using Apollo Pharmacy coupon codes can be a great way to save money on your pharmacy purchases. To start, go to the Apollo Pharmacy website or mobile app and browse through the various products and services they offer. Once you have selected the items you want to purchase, proceed to the checkout page where you can apply the coupon code. First, find a valid Apollo Pharmacy coupon code from a reputable source such as the company's website, social media, or email newsletter. You can also search for coupon codes on coupon websites or forums. Make sure to read the terms and conditions of the coupon code to understand its validity period, applicable products, and any minimum purchase requirements. Next, copy the coupon code and paste it into the designated field on the Apollo Pharmacy checkout page. The field is usually labeled as coupon code or promo code. After entering the coupon code, click on the Apply button to see the discount reflected in your total bill. Some key concepts to keep in mind when using Apollo Pharmacy coupon codes include the types of coupons available, such as percentage-based discounts, fixed amount discounts, or buy one get one free offers. You should also be aware of any restrictions or limitations on the use of coupon codes, such as exclusions on certain products or brands. To get the most out of Apollo Pharmacy coupon codes, it is best to sign up for the company's email newsletter or follow their social media accounts to stay informed about the latest promotions and discounts. You can also use browser extensions or coupon apps to automatically apply coupon codes at checkout. In addition to using coupon codes, Apollo Pharmacy also offers other ways to save money, such as loyalty programs, cashback offers, and discounts on bulk purchases. By combining these offers with coupon codes, you can maximize your savings and get the best value for your money. Overall, using Apollo Pharmacy coupon codes is a simple and effective way to reduce your pharmacy expenses. By following these steps and best practices, you can make the most of these coupon codes and enjoy significant savings on your purchases.